The control system consists of 4 circuit boards. The touch board, which is permanently adhered to the ceramic glass panel that senses the user input. The display board that contains the panel displays. The logic board that contains the microprocessor. And the power board that does the power switching and control of the heating units. If the touch board becomes inoperative, the entire glass assembly must be replaced. If the display board becomes inoperative, it can be replaced by removing the glass top and disconnecting the display board from the touch board. If the logic board becomes inoperative, it can be replaced by removing the glass top and removing the logic board from the area under the keypad. If the power board becomes inoperative, it can be accessed by removing the drop box cover that is under the cooktop. Remember, no individual components on the boards are replaceable. A triac-fired control replaces the rheostat temperature control for each surface element. The control receives feedback from the temperature sensor to allow for precise control on the heating element power. The pan detection system includes a pan sensor, an inductive sensor interface chip, or ISIC, permanently mounted on the logic board, and the signal wiring harness connecting the sensor with the ISIC. The pan sensor determines the presence or absence of a pan through a change in the magnetic field. When a metal pan is near the sensor, the resonant frequency of the pan increases. This information is passed to the ISIC, which determines that a pan is present. When the frequency drops to a specified level, the ISIC determines the pan is not present and turns the surface element off after 60 seconds. To enter the technician mode, lock the cooktop by holding the control lock key for 3 seconds. The control will beep 2 times and the word lock will be displayed in the timer display. Press the on-off key and simultaneously press the plus keys of the left front and left rear surface elements. The timer display will flash Tech Mode when the cooktop is in this mode. To exit the technician mode, simultaneously press the timer on-off key and the plus keys of the left front and left rear surface elements, or unlock the cooktop by holding the control lock key for 3 seconds. When a fault code occurs, an alarm will sound for 1 minute. The F code will flash in the timer display and F will flash in the display in the window of the failed surface element until it is acknowledged by touching the control lock key. The displays are then cleared. If the fault still exists, or if it recurs when the user tries to activate a surface element, the F code will display. Only the severest F codes are immediately displayed. Less severe F codes are recorded, then displayed based on the number of repeated occurrences. The technician mode allows the last 9 F codes to be recalled from the register and displayed on the timer display. The most recent F code is displayed first as number 1. Pressing the timer plus and timer minus keys will scroll up and down the last 9 recorded F codes. The cooktop has multiple sensors, one for each surface element. Some F codes include a sensor number associated with a surface element. To clear the F code register, enter the technician mode. While the timer display flashes Tech Mode, simultaneously press the bridge and warmer keys. The timer display will display Done, and the F codes will be permanently deleted from the register. To check the line-in voltage, press the pan sizing key while in the technician mode. Line-in voltage will appear in the timer display.